How to remove Instagram account from another devices. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you the easy way to log out your Instagram ID on other devices. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to update the application and log into your particular account. You will land on this interface. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Select Account Center at top of the screen and scroll down. Select Password and Security under Account Setting. You have got different options. So here are the two ways basically to remove or log out your Instagram ID on other devices. One is to change the password and other is to manually log out different devices. So firstly, you can tap change password, select your Instagram account, enter the current password, new password and retype the new password and then select the or checkmark the box that says log out of other devices and tap change password. So this was the one way. The other way is to select where you are logged in under security checks. Now select your Instagram account. And here are all the devices where you have logged in your account. You can simply select devices to log out and then check mark the devices where you want to log out. So you can tap on the logout button and easily remove your Instagram account from another devices. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.